Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Waze voice directions and traffic settings, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Waze app on your device. Tap on the search bar located at the bottom of the screen. Enter your desired destination. When the route options appear, select your preferred route. Next, look for the Go button and press it to start navigation. While the navigation begins, pay attention to the voice instructions. If you want to verify the voice directions, tap on the sound icon on the navigation screen. This will display options for voice settings. To adjust the voice volume, slide the volume control left or right. For different voice options, tap on the voice section. Choose from the available voices to customize your navigation experience. To check traffic settings, return to the main map screen. Tap on the settings gear icon located in the upper corner. Select navigation from the settings menu. Here, you can find options for traffic settings. Make sure show traffic is enabled for real-time updates. To customize traffic alerts, tap on traffic alerts. Select your preferred alert options, such as accidents or traffic jam. After making your adjustments, return to the main screen. You'll now have properly verified your voice directions and traffic settings. Continue your journey with confidence, knowing your settings are optimized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.